What's up guys, we are back with the Aristo today, and we're going to be changing the door lock actuator in the rear driver side. If anyone owns like a 2GS, they know these door lock actuators are pretty trash and they tend to fail pretty frequently. I've changed like the front driver and passenger side like maybe once each now, but I'll show you what's going on. So it's pretty intermittent, but press unlock. Unlocks this, as you can see, but then this one does not unlock. Close it. Still, and I'll manually unlock it, and then as you can see, it is unlocked. I'm gonna press lock. Still. So normally if you press lock, it will beep once you lock, so watch. So that's when you know that all doors are locked. So yeah, this one's bad. I'm gonna take out the door and then switch out the actuator. Yeah, normally it's not a big deal to me, but when you're driving, like if you hit like 20-30 kilometers an hour, the doors will automatically lock, and with the rear one it'll just keep trying to lock, and it's just kind of annoying. So yeah, just gonna switch it out really quick, hopefully. Right, took it out. Took a lot of work. This bolt that was holding it in is stripped, so I had to grab like I think this is a vice wrench, and just grip it on and twist it off. Looks like I bought the wrong actuator again.
Dumb bitch.
So as you can see, this is a 4-pin, and then the one I bought is like 2, 4, 6-pin, which is for the front. So they sent me the wrong one, so I'm gonna try to get a refund on these. Already ordered one on Amazon, the right one, hopefully. So yeah, until then, I'm gonna pop this back in and then give the car a quick wash. What's up guys, we are back. Just got the hopefully the right part in the mail, so yeah, I'm gonna give this another shot. So this is the replacement part. Replacing it with this part right here. It's got this hook right here that you need to unhook. So once you put that little clip in, you want to put this white thing right here into this little hole right here, and then basically all done. Definitely forgot how this went back on. All done. Time to test it. Moment of truth. So it seems to not be getting any power for some reason. So I'm gonna see if I can open it back up and then figure out why. So got it, figured it out. I didn't plug in the that powering harness for the thing. Well, I like had my headphones in, just kind of plugged it in. I thought I heard it click, but I didn't. So I just pushed this in to simulate like the door is actually closed, and then here we go. Unlock, lock, and yeah, that's about it. So yeah, that was relatively easy. Something I did like on my lunch break. But yeah, till the next one. See you guys later.